Veterinarians are always looking to give the animals in their care the best possible treatment. But the availability of drugs to support these efforts can sometimes be an issue. Some can be discontinued or out of stock at a time when they're most needed. That is where Bova come in. They are Australia's preeminent producer of compounding medicines, an ever-increasing source of tailor-made prescription products. Dean Alan Craig has this report.
For veterinarians, treating a wide range of different animals is challenging enough, but particularly when the medication they need is not otherwise available, or not available in the required dosage form.
And you haven't noticed any pain anywhere? He's not uncomfortable?
No, nothing.
Veterinary compounding pharmacy Bova is meeting this need head-on with compounded medications, offering vets a specialised service with tailor-made medications and treatment options where no suitable alternatives are available.
There are a number of different reasons why a vet may choose a compounded product. The first is the availability of medications that are otherwise unavailable. The second is the ability to improve compliance, particularly dose titration. So the ability to titrate the medication to an individual animal's needs can be really important in some conditions. It can be really important when we consider a small Chihuahua versus a big Great Dane. These factors become very important. So the third point would be the ability to medicate animals in different ways. So a good example of that would be cats. Cats are notoriously difficult to medicate orally, and so the ability to use a transdermal medication where the drug is absorbed across the skin is a great opportunity to improve the ability to treat that patient.
To get a feel for the growing demand in compounded medications, you just have to take a look through Bova's state-of-the-art laboratories, where lab technicians are fulfilling around 200 orders per day, with the stringent quality controls in place and everything overseen by experienced pharmacists.
We service things for small animals, horses, big animals. We do some things for zoos as well, so we've done the odd thing for turtles and elephants. So the idea is that we try to fit in where a traditional medicine may not necessarily be appropriate, or the correct dosage is not available. The quality of our products is one of the most important things for us at Bova. We put it as part of our culture with our staff, so that everyone is fully aware that this medication is ultimately going to go to somebody's pet, someone's loved one.
One of the remarkable things about the compounding industry is that here at Bova, medication can be made for widely popular usage, but they can also produce a bespoke single dosage for a veterinarian's patient.
Bova began here in Australia but has recently launched its compounded medication services in Britain, where Nick Bova says there is a huge need and a very strong market for quality specialised medication delivered in a timely manner.
So the feedback that I've gotten so far has just been incredibly positive. I couldn't have asked for a better response from the veterinarians and in particular the Vet Association so far.
Bova services nearly 5,000 veterinarians Australia-wide each year, and for vets working in regional and remote parts of Australia, one of the challenges is timely access to urgently needed treatments.
Animals in Darwin get just as sick as animals in Sydney, so it's important that we sort of address all of those needs. It's no good if we make it and it doesn't get to the patient on time after it leaves our facility. So it's a big focus on our current business operations is to make sure that once a product leaves us, that it gets to where it needs to go in a timely manner.
Embracing the vet industry's push towards digital transformation, Bova also have an online prescribing system designed to get medication to vets quickly.
The advantage of veterinarians ordering online is that it's accessible to about 1,500 products. They can look at their order history. They can also set repeats, so that means that they can pop on and put an order through a lot faster when they need to reorder a product for an animal.
It's simple, it's quick. It has a record of previous medications dispensed, so it's quite user-friendly.
Nick Bova says he believes a large part of their success has been a focus on customer service and responding directly to the needs of veterinarians in Australia and now across Britain.
I think our value proposition is that we're able to provide such a large range of medicines to veterinarians and be able to do it in a timely fashion.
Bova is an industry leader and worked with the AVA to establish best practice guidelines for the use of compounding. Vets can visit Bova's website to discover more about compounding and where and when it could help in the care of their patients.